Side. Drain valve is shut. Okay, let me kill the pressure and I'll have you bleed it. Come on, Dad, kill it. Let me kill this, then you kill the pressure. Okay. Drain valve is still shut. Right,
yep.
Of course.
It's still there. Keep going.
80 psi. Okay, Dad. Release pressure. Keep an eye down there, sorry.
He's open.
Pressure's off. We got a good drip going. Look at that flow.
There it goes.
Dad?
Spitting.
We're good. That's the drain valve operating. That in the valve is the only mechanical part on our idea here.
Yeah.
That is working. That's all we need to know. That is working.
PSI's down to 0.
The whole procedure is to,
Drains
just like any other fire hydrant operation, they will shut the supply down.
the fire department's got to take the hoses off, so obviously there'll be pressure on the hoses, obviously.
Sure. And that's when that operates.
Awesome.
Thank you guys so much.
Ah, this is panoramic all the way.
Well, on our drawings, we'll show you all the other possible
Still
ways
draining.
of doing this. But the basic idea is this is the operating valve here, and that is the drain. That is
It's draining.
Maintenance friendly as hell.
All right.
Two moving parts.
Yeah, that's the best part. Only 2 moving things. No guts, no BS, none of that crap. I like it.
Moving parts. Not bad.
Work. Yeah, shut her down.
That's about we didn't do it continuously, but that's about 1 year's worth of work.
Yeah.
Hit
I know.
this here and there, you know.
Ah, you gotta break a few eggs to find the one that holds up.
You know, we farting around here and we
Closed? Yeah.
open that valve.
Climb up there. I'm videotaping.
No, let him do it.
You want to come open that valve first?
That's alright.
You sure? You're gonna get sprayed. It's gonna jizz on you. Told you.
Yeah.
All right, you good on all this?
Yeah.
And that's the initial design. Still draining. Water shut off. Disconnected. Closed valve. All good. Cool deal.